नॉर्थ ईस्ट क्या होता है रे?
झूठे केस में सजा हो जाएगी तो मैं अपनी फैमिली को कैसे खर्चा भेजूंगा।
Welcome to Fashion Exposed, guys. This is your host Harshit Dingon and you're watching the HD Talks, Voice of Youth. And yes, I would like to talk today something very important that I have been waiting for last 24 hours. Not only me, the whole Northeast and the whole India was waiting for it. Durga Rai replied in an indirect way through her Facebook, and the way she have replied I'm going to show you in the video and I'm going to expose as well. I'm really sorry to say, but yes, I'm going to expose today about the reality and the past work done by the lady. And before that, I would like to first of all thank each and everyone for your immense love and support. Last video crossed 100k views and I'm very happy that you are giving me so much love. I'm really I have no words that you are giving me so much love and affection. And also I would like to invite, if you are new to my channel, I would like to invite you to be a part of my family. We are on a mission to make this world a better place. To join my family, which I call the Army of Love, just hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my latest videos and updates. So we are going to talk about Durga Rai. Durga Rai, I made a last video in which I shown the footage of Hema Chaudhary as well as Durga Rai together, and we also told her that how to behave and apologize. The way we requested Hema Chaudhary, the same way we requested Durga Rai as well to apologize, but she is not understanding. She is not in a stage to understand. And my friends, first of all, I'm going to show you the real, like you can say, the real picture also about Durga Rai, which I have found and researched on internet. And this lady is not active doing all this nuisance just from now. She is active for more than 6 months or 4 months and maybe 1 year. She is doing all these activities, but she was not in my eyes at that time. Now, because of my subscriber, I got to know about the issue. As I always say, my subscriber is my army and they always guide me and they always message me, sir, we want help for this. So I'm always there to raise the voice of youth. Yes, and today I am here to talk about this, and let me first of all show you the reply sent on Facebook somehow on the social media for not only just about my videos. I think it's the message to all the people, and it is a message to all the Northeast YouTubers as well, or the human beings as well who are looking for justice. And she is saying in a very dirty way to all the people who are urging justice and the respect for Northeast. It is a disrespect of the people of Northeast indirectly. Let me show you this, and you can just see in the screen as well. She is writing, feeling fantastic, and I'm extremely happy that finally you losers have found a way to earn a few bucks by making Hema Chaudhary's and my viral video on YouTube. So guys, you've seen what she have written. You can just see what she have written on the screen, right? So the way she's saying, I'm extremely happy that finally you losers. So dear Durga Rai ma'am, you will know who is loser. The people of Northeast are not loser, they are winners. They are innocent, but they are the justice lover, and they are the people who are, if they unite, they have the power to change the world, to change everything. The way the attitude of the Hema Chaudhary gone in a ditch, nobody was able to say and save Hema Chaudhary. So what do you think about yourself, that you can challenge the people of Northeast and you can challenge the people ऑफ इंडिया। अब मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूं, शायद आपको समझ भी नहीं आएगी अगर मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूंगा। आपको क्या लगता है कि आप चैलेंज करेंगे नॉर्थ ईस्ट को, आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोगों को गलत गलत बोलेंगे? आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट के, आपने तो जहां तक मैंने देखा, आप तो जो ऑपोजिट रिलीजन होता है आप उनके लिए भी आपने कई कई चीजें गलत करी है। मैं शो करने वाला हूं इस वीडियो के अंदर, एंड व्हाट अ डर्टी थिंग हैज बीन डन विद अ मुस्लिम गाय एज वेल, एंड हाउ ही वाज फॉल्सली यू कैन से उस पे आपने झूठा इल्जाम लगाया, उसको फंसाने की कोशिश करी। सब कुछ आपकी नजरों के सामने दोस्तों आप देखेंगे, एंड यू विल वॉच दिस वीडियो, वॉच टिल द एंड। दिस इज नॉट जस्ट अ वीडियो, यू विल फील द पेन डेफिनेटली अबाउट दिस इशू, एंड यू विल सी हाउ कितना ज्यादा दर्द देती है ये लेडी कहीं ना कहीं, and she have created a lot of problems in so many people's life for a reason, just sometimes either money, property, or some kind of a materialistic thing. It is not I am saying, it is a report saying that is already in the public domain. Those reports, according to those domains, I am telling you this, and the way she is saying, finally you losers have found a new way of earning few bucks by making Hema Chaudhary and my viral video. And I am telling you, ma'am, people are not here for few bucks. 100 or 500 rupees will not make people rich. People are speaking here for the justice. People are speaking here for humanity. People are speaking here for the concern, for the love of people. People are here for the concern of those people whose heart are full of love and humanity, and these people are the most beautiful people in this world. Feel little bit shame if you believe that you have hurted the sentiment of Northeast people. I would like to see it in a very gentle way, since we always say, and I always believe, my whole army of love believe to answer with love and get the justice. The way we got the justice for Hema Chaudhary, ma'am, you are not so far away from sharing the same place or the same quarantine center. So please, I request you, kindly apologize. But today, I'm not going to speak so sweet. We are going to expose, we are going to show you the real picture of this lady, दुर्गा राय।
नंबर ले ले। ओ आराम से धंधा कर, नंबर पे मत।
काम क्या पहले बताओ ना।
आम खाने से मतलब है? आम खाने से मतलब नंबर दे।
काम बताओ, उसके बाद मैं ऐसे नंबर नहीं देगा।
तूने रिक्शे में कितना माल डाला है? इसने बोला कि इसने माल नहीं डाला, तूने बोला माल डाला है। तुम दोनों एक ही दुकान में हो।
जहाँ पर गाड़ी है ना ये गाड़ी किधर है, उधर रुको, हम जा रहे हैं। अरे उनको बोलो गाड़ी रोकने के लिए, यहाँ आने पर जितना बात है उसका बता।
ड्राइवर को बोल गाड़ी रोकने को। आरिफ अंदर है, कैसा आया तू?
watching till the end, and you will be shocked, you will be emotional, you will be crying after watching these videos, when nobody raised the voice of voiceless people, no mainland media or the national media doesn't cover anything. I am here with you guys to raise your voice, to raise the voice of the people whom nobody is listening. But here I am, the voice of youth, the voice of people. So I want to say each and everyone, watch the video and see in this video that how she is playing with people's mind and lives, and the way she is trying to take advantage of men. So guys, this is a video जिसके अंदर आप देखेंगे कि एक उन्होंने झूठा इल्जाम लगा के she have falsely accused an innocent man and that man is crying. Let me show you the footage first.
मेरे ऊपर गलत इल्जाम लगाया है।
मेरा परा मतलब मैं सोया था, मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया उनके ऊपर, मतलब उठ के आया मैं तो उसने मेरा वीडियो निकालना चालू कर दिया। तो बोलते हैं देखो आरिफ आ रहा है, ये मतलब मेरे ऊपर अटैक किया, इसने मेरे ऊपर हाथ लगाया, ऐसा किया वैसा किया। केवल मैंने फ़ोन करके नीचे हाथ किया कि मैडम मेरा वीडियो मत दिखा दो, बस इतना ही किया मैंने।
मेरे ऊपर झूठा इल्जाम लगाया, किसने मेरे ऊपर बोलती है
हाथ लगाया मेरे ऊपर पे, मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया है, ताकि 2 पुलिस वाले भी साथ में थे, तो पुलिस वाले भी कुछ नहीं बोल रहे। मैं गाली गलौज कुछ भी नहीं किया, ना ही आज तक दुकानों में काम करता है, 3 साल काम करता है, उधर भी गाली गलौज नहीं किया मैंने, सबको मालूम उधर।
इन्हें तो वजह से मुझे पुलिस वाले मारा, मेरी गलती भी कुछ भी नहीं थी, इसलिए थप्पड़ मुझे पुलिस वाले मारा। पर क्यों मारा थप्पड़ मुझे मालूम ही नहीं।
कैसे खर्चा भेजूंगा तो मेरी फैमिली का क्या होगा, हाल होगा, उनको मालूम ही नहीं मेरे साथ ऐसे झूठा आरोप लगाया गया है।
You can see the pain of this guy, the way he is crying, the way he is really broken. And guys, I want to show you one more thing. And जिसको हम सोचे कि बहुत डेंजरस है, डेंजरस के साथ साथ she is a little I will not use the word mental, or I will not use the word पागल, and I will not even use any word जैसे कि साइको वाला भी मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा, and I will just would like to say that you know what I am trying to say. So I would just like to show you that this is an enemy of humanity. Watch it and you will laugh. So guys, कैसा लगा आपको डांस? कितने पैसे मिलेंगे बताइए जरा। So you seen this dance and you seen the reaction. So आपको क्या लगता है कि ऐसा इंसान अपने को एनिमल एक्टिविस्ट कह के हेमा चौधरी का सपोर्ट करके do she want fame or do she want a name or do she want to go to jail? What do you think? What is your option A, B और C? आंसर करिए कमेंट में, आपको क्या लगता है, नेम, फेम और जेल। सो आप बताइए आगे क्या होने वाला है और क्या होने वाला है आप ही बताएंगे सब लोग जो देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि आपको कमेंट करना है, देन ओनली आई विल मेक द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। I have more things to reveal. I'll request you, ma'am, please apologize to the people. Show me the love of a woman. Show me the love and the respect for the Nepali people. Nepali people already have told me. उन्होंने कहा है कि if she is Nepali, they are very ashamed. And if she is Nepali, they want to meet you. And if you are Nepali, they want to teach you the culture of Nepal. So, will you speak the language of love or not? So, this is the last time we are letting you know. So guys, if you believe that I have made some meaning and you think that this video can bring some change, do share this video right away, right now, because it's for the respect of Northeast humanity and respect of the each and every person, even the Nepali community as well. So guys, to share this video, and I will also like to request you, each and every one of you, and also like to invite you that if you also want to become a change maker of society, I invite you to be a part of my family, which I call Army of Love, and just to be a part of my army of love and my family, just hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my all the video. And please guys, अगर आप like करते हैं वीडियो को, do not forget to subscribe the channel. I seen 10,000 likes on my last video and only 2,000 subscriber got increased. This is not right. You having so much, you can just, you like the content, but do be a part of my life. Join me. I request you and I invite you, and we will make this world a better place. Thank you so much for joining and listening to me. I'll come with the next video next time. Till the time, take care and see you.